settings, we have set document numbers. If you want to set a quotation number, you can do it from here. Go to company, change company settings, document and statements, document numbers. From quotation, you can enter the new document number. When you enter this number from next quotation onwards, that number will display in that quotation. Okay, after you set the number, we can go to the quotation. Then click Add Quote. You can select the customer here. When you select the customer, you can view that customer details, customer balances, tax numbers, credit limit. Currently, you cannot view this document number, but that document number is that you have set in that company settings. That number will allocate to this quotation. Okay. And customer references. Now, if your customer has sent any document requesting a quotation or requesting a proposal, if you want, you can enter that number under customer reference. And from the layout, you can select layout. When you are creating customer, you can set a layout. That layout will display here. And if you allocate, assign any sales rep to that customer, sales rep will display here. And if you want, you can change the sales rep. Okay, and tax number will display. Date is current date, today date. And expiry date is if you have given any credit period, it will apply for this quotation expiry date also. Then if you have set a default discount, it will display here. If you want, you can change when processing the quotation. Okay. Then here you use inclusive amount. If you take this option, now here price will display in exclusive price. If you take this option, inclusive price will display in the screen. Okay, now from type, if you are selling any item, you can select it to item, and from selection you can select that items. Okay, when you select the item, you can view item code, item description, reserved quantity, and quantity on hand. Then description will display in the screen. And when you are creating an item, if you have given any unit, it will display. And you can enter quantity, that selling quantity, and selling price. If you have set that selling price, it will display here. Then tax type. If you are giving discount percentage or discount amount, you can enter that amount. And system will calculate exclusive amount, taxes, and total. And if you want to assign this to any department or any analysis code, you can select that analysis code here. And second line also, you can enter any item. And if you want to add more items, by clicking this plus mark, you can add item lines. And if you have set any default message, it will display here, and total display here. Then you can print this quotation, or you can directly email to the customer, or you can save this quotation. Okay, like this. We can enter quotation, customer quotation to the system. If you have any questions, you can ask. Or else okay, I'll repeat it again. You can enter quotation from customers, transaction, customer quote, from customer drop down menu you can select the customer, then it will display customer balances, tax numbers, credit limit details, addresses, and from here you can select items. You can enter quantity, and you can save or print or email the quotation. Okay, like this you can enter quotation. Now you can enter quotations. If you can, please enter 4 quotations, then we can show that accepted decline invoice, like that. We can sort that quotation. Therefore please enter 4 quotations.